Here are 3 ways that you can welcome Gen Z into your company and open up new possibilities for everyone. Avoid broad generalizations. Assess employees on their individual merits and ask yourself honestly if you're expecting too much or maybe too little of them. Be open to new ideas. Encourage critical thinking and let your newer employees assess their strengths, weaknesses, or potential risks in the ideas they bring to you. And prepare your leaders. Developing leaders isn't a process that happens overnight. Take a proactive role in providing for professional development opportunities so your leaders have the skills to utilize the capabilities that your employees bring with them. One of the most important things to remember is where you started. At some point in your career, you too were the newest member of the team. Keep in mind that someone took the time to invest in you. Do the same for someone else.